wasn't even the emergency doors. We're at the end of the plane, so the emergency doors right there.
And we had just reached the height where, or the altitude where they say you can turn on your devices, it's okay. So it must have been about 10,000 feet and we were still ascending. So a couple minutes after they made that announcement, we just all heard there was just a really loud boom, which was so startling, and the plane just filled with wind.
I opened up my email and a friend from who was living in Palm Springs said, "Hey, they're looking for airplane parts in your neighborhood." I'm like, no.
All 12 stops became disengaged, allowing it to blow out of the fuselage.
Oh my God! Sorry. It's on fire! Mom!
Not only did we have the Indonesia and the Ethiopian fatal crashes with the MAX 8, a slightly different version of this, but just recently they found loose nuts on the control rods, the bolts that hold the rudder controls. Don't panic, don't cancel your flight because you may be on a MAX and drive in your car, because you literally are far more at risk. The cliche about the most dangerous part of the trip is the drive to the airport.